welcome back. I have a new swatching video for you today. Actually, I've got two videos coming up today. This one is the brand new winter collection, all blues, and I will have a separate video coming out today, which is all of the, some of the brand new colours that are coming out that are, most of them are unreleased, but I will let you know which is which. So yeah, for this one, this is a brand new collection that it's already out on the site. All different shades of blues, and there are some glitters and shimmers, and they're just like stunning. It's like, it has to be one of my favourite collections. This collection and the Christmas collection, favourite by far. Oh, when I got the order, when I got the pack and it arrived, and I was looking like upside down, you know, turn the box upside down, looking like inside, see what I could see. This one, oh my god, it's beautiful. Like all the different colours of blue. There's a teal, like aquamarine colour in there as well. It's a multi-coat. There's also a fine dust in there as well, so you can get full coverage with it. And it also has like a holographic kick as well. So it just catches the light. It really is so stunning. Now, Baby Shower along with Chase Me Charlie are the two lighter blues in this set. Chase Me Charlie is the lightest, and Baby Shower is like the next one down. It's a few shades, yeah, I'd say a few shades darker. They actually blend really, really well together in a marble as well. Like really well. And then this one, we're going to like shimmers and glitters and anything that has a bit of sparkle in it. I'm happy. You have made my day. Put in some glitter, Leah's happy. Now today, with it being Black Friday, there is a 40% offer on the Glitterama site for the core bundle. Definitely worth it, honestly, definitely worth it. It is huge. What a massive discount though, 40%. Oh my god, amazing. So you have up until the end of today, Friday, midnight, GMT, English time, I'm putting code BF40 at the checkout on the very last screen before you purchase. But it is only applying to the core bundle.
I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. I'm flying high, but show me the ring and I'll jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. Through. I used to. Through. I used to. Through. I used to.
And there you have it, the full collection. It is out already on the site. I will link it below. If you do use these colours, try tag me on Facebook or on Instagram just so I can have a peep. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!